Mark here with Watermark Design. I'm going to show you today how to do a blog and post in WordPress. I get this question a lot, so I'm just going to dive right in. Let's follow along here. So once you log into your website, it's usually wp-admin after your URL. You'll come to the dashboard page here and you want to go to posts. Once that loads up, then you can see all the past posts that you have, and you want to create a new one. Click add post right up here in the top left. Okay, so then we'll just call this how to build a website. And then you can, if you've already written up your content, say in Microsoft Word, you can copy and paste it right into this section here. Otherwise, if you do copy and paste, sometimes you'll notice that when you copy and paste, say I have some content here, and you paste it in here, sometimes it'll stylize it so it doesn't look correctly on the front end. So if you ever see that, what I always recommend is to, over here it says visual, go to the code side and copy and paste it right in here directly from Microsoft Word, because then it won't bring in any styled like bold text or italicized or underlined or any of that stuff, because sometimes that can mess with the code on the other side, the front end of the website. But then once you're here, you can set up titles. So if you want to have a subtitle, you could type that in here and you can highlight it, and then you just pick heading 2. You only want to have one heading 1 per post, and then you can create heading 2s and 3s, and then you can bold text here. You can underline all the stuff that you can in Microsoft Word here. This is SEO, so keyword stuff you want to put in there. We're using Yoast, but we won't go over that today. That'll be another time. We'll jump into the categories, so you can create new categories for your blog post. So if you have certain things that you're always posting on each month, or different categories you want to keep stuff organized, you can create a new category here. For me, I'm just going to do web design. We'll put that as, so how to build a website. Then you can set a featured image, so that's going to be your thumbnail image that shows on your actual blog page as kind of a snippet to the little title, a little description, and then you'll have a little featured image. So when somebody clicks on it, then it'll open up the full blog post that you see here. Today we're just going to do save as a draft. Say we're not finished with this, so we want to click on save as a draft. When you're ready to go live, you'll just hit publish, and then it'll automatically post it onto your blog, but then go onto our blog post right here. So the last one we had was April, but then the most recent one will show there. As long as you have a blog page set up, they'll just keep posting in order. If you need any help with stylizing your post, so how it looks, we can help you with that. This is just content here down the middle, so that's what you're seeing in this section right here. So anything you write in here will be kind of the body, the main section of your blog post, and this will be your title that shows on the top, and you got your URL title that goes with it. And that's just kind of a quick overview of how to do a blog post. If you like this, like the video below. We'll do more content like this. Subscribe and let us know how we're doing. Thanks.